Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very nice tripod that I bought from Amazon. It's the K&F Concept, 62 inches, I believe, around 2 meters. So let's unbox it and let's see what we have here. Now, the reason I bought this tripod is only for two reasons. First reason is product reviews, overhead shots. And the second reason is for gaming. Nice. So the tripod comes with a really nice carrying bag. As you can see, K&F Concept. Wow, we have a lot of goodies. Okay. I'm gonna put everything on the table and we're gonna have a look. Okay, the quality of the bag actually is pretty nice. Anything else inside? Nope. Okay, so this is the tripod. As you can see, nice. I'm gonna give you a closer shot in a second. So this is how you unfold the tripod. What is that? Okay. And the ball head is 360 degrees, as you can see. So this can turn up to 360 degrees. Now, let me see the other stuff as well. Okay, so this is one of the reasons that I bought this tripod is because you can do like overhead shots. I'll demonstrate. Also, we have a tripod. No, this is for, I believe it's for for mobile phone. So this is for mobile phone, which is always nice touch. So as you can see, oh yeah, so you unloose from here. Okay, not bad. So this is for mobile phone. What else we have? I'm not sure what is that. There's some stuff here which no idea what it is. And what else we have here? Okay, so the price of this tripod is currently on Amazon.uk around 59-60 pounds, which I think is a very nice price. Okay, so this basically is for this bar here. So as you can see, and this is for the overhead shots. I'll demonstrate right now. So let's see this tripod, how we can assemble it. Let me turn the camera other way around. Legs doesn't go back. Let me see. Okay, I figured out how to unfold the legs. So I don't know if you can see, you have to pull this bit here. So now it's locked. You pull this and now you can move the legs. So if you want to unfold them back, you just do like this and do the same with the other leg as well. You need to pull and then close it like this. The other thing here on the top, we have a plate, which is nice. So there's a magnetic here, I believe. No, it's not magnetic, but this is cool. So this is going to give you quick access if you want to, let's say, switch between your DSLR or maybe smartphone or different DSLRs. So I do like it. Also, the maximum weight of this tripod is 8 kilograms. So in order to remove, so let's say if you don't want to use this tripod for product reviews, overhead shots, this is fine. You can put your DSLR here, your let's say your phone, this is fine. You don't have to remove this bit here. But if you want to use this tripod for overhead shots, I'll show you now how to remove that. So you just need to undo this bit here on the top. I will demonstrate right now. So as you can see, we can undo this bit. And as you can see now, this is off. So this is how the tripod looks without the bit on the top. Again, this is for smartphones and DSLRs. Now, in the box, you had few accessories. As you can see, these accessories we need them in order to make this tripod as a overhead tripod. I'll demonstrate right now. Also in the box, you'll have this bar. I wish this bar is a little bit longer, but I think it's all right. And this bit here, which is going to help us to attach, I'm going to demonstrate now. So the first thing you should do on the bottom of this bit here, we have to screw it in, as you can see, and now it's ready. Now take the bar, as you can see, and just undo this bit here first, and now put the bar inside, and as you can see, and now lock it. And now we have this interesting bar. As you can see here, there's another bit which you can undo and move it up and down if you want to compose your camera or let's say your smartphone up or down, so you can decide. And from here we just tied the bar, as you can see, but we're not done yet. Now in this box we have something that we need to attach to the bar here on the end in order to add this bit, because this is how we attach our DSLR and this is how we attach our smartphones. So you'll need in this bag, I'm going to show you what you need. You'll need this as well. So you have to take the bar, as you can see, and we have to screw this in, as you can see. Now you take this bit, the first thing, so you take the original thing that was on the top and you need to screw it in. And voila, as you can see, now we can attach our DSLR and we can move the bar up and down. So like I mentioned in the beginning, the reason I bought this tripod is for overhead shots, for product reviews, if I do some product reviews, or for gaming. So the reason for the gaming option is because when I, let's say, do some gaming, I want the tripod to be over the chair. So let's say if you do some games, I'll demonstrate that. But yeah, this is how you attach everything. Pretty cool, right? And this can go up, down, and you can attach your DSLR here. Pretty straightforward, guys. There's some other bits here which probably I'm not sure what they are. Also, I know what this is for. You attach this here in the end, so you can put some weight. But yeah. So yeah, pretty cool tripod. The maximum height is 2 meters, 62 inches, I believe, and 8 kilograms of weight can take. But yeah, pretty nice tripod. Links in the descriptions. This video is not being sponsored by K&F Concept. I purchased this by myself from Amazon.uk. Any questions? Leave in the descriptions down below. Thank you for watching, guys.